Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. Today's video will focus on ordering real numbers. Real numbers include rational numbers and irrational numbers. Let's get started. Which list shows the numbers in order from greatest value to least value? So it's really hard to compare when they're all in different formats. And what I mean is there's a fraction, there's a decimal, and a square root. So we're going to convert them all to decimal, then we're going to quickly transition those decimals to percent to give us whole numbers, because we've been comparing whole numbers since small kids. So for the first one, be 39 divided by 8. So the decimal is 4.875. However, I'm going to convert it to a percent by moving the decimal 2 places to the right, because when you go from a decimal to a percent, you multiply by 100, but you show it by moving 2 to the right. So it's 4.87. I'm not going to use the third number unless I need it. Show it by moving 2 to the right, so it ends up being 487%. Since the second answer, 4.84, in answer choice A is 4.84, that would be 484%. And now I'll go back to the calculator and do the square root of 24. And that would be, I would use 489%, and I know that 489 is bigger than the other two, and there's only one answer choice that starts with the square root of 24, so that lets me know that B is the correct answer. Let's go to the next one. It says, which numbers have a value greater than pi? Pi is an irrational number that goes on forever, and there's no pattern. Okay, so we're going to use the first 6 digits of pi to figure this out. So 3.14 and 159. Now, I already can eliminate 2 answer choices because 3.14 is not greater and the square root of 9 is 3. Okay, so now we're going to go 8 divided by 3. Well, it's 2. The fact that it starts with 2, I don't have to do anything. I already know that that's not greater. So I'm going to scratch that one out, and then the only 2 answers that it could be is the third and the fifth. All right, and so you always got to make sure you select both so you can get full credit. These are problems from an old Grade STAAR test from 8th grade. All right, so for the last one, it says a list of numbers ordered from least value to greatest value is shown. One number is missing. Which number could be the missing number? I challenge you to answer this in the comments and then see how you did. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like or subscribe.